Hello everyone, let's look at the steps to download the official ISO file for Windows 11 version 25H2. Yes, there are different ways that you can use to download the ISO file for Windows 11, and there are different tools that you can use. However, the official way to get the ISO is by going to the official Windows 11 download page using this link, and then scroll down, and at the bottom of the page, you're going to find this section. And from here, you need to select Windows 11 and then click Confirm. Then select the installation language, in this case English, and then click Confirm. This will create a direct link for the ISO file that is only valid for 24 hours. Just click it and save the file to your computer. This might take some time depending on your internet connection. Now, there is a second option that you can use to download the official ISO file for Windows 11 version 25H2, and that is by using the Media Creation tool, which you can get from the same download link, which is this one right here. And then we need to scroll down, and under the Create Windows 11 Installation Media, click the Download button and save the file to your computer. Then open the location where you save that file, and then we just need to double click to run the Media Creation tool. And then we just need to accept the terms. Make sure that the language is correct. If you need to change that, clear this option and select the correct language. And then click Next. Now in here, select the ISO file option and click Next. Now select the location where you want to store the file, and make sure to use a descriptive name such as Windows 11 25H2 ISO and click Save. And now the Media Creation tool is going to download the files and create that ISO image. This might take some time depending on your internet connection. After the Media Creation tool completed creating the ISO file, you will see the path right here. You can click on it, and that will open the folder where that file is stored. Now you can use third-party tools such as Rufus to use that ISO to create a bootable media. And then just click the Finish button to close the application. And that's it. That is how you download the official ISO file for Windows 11 version 25H2. Remember to leave your comments, like the video, share it, subscribe to the channel if you haven't done that yet, and I just hope this video was informative for you, and I would like to thank you for viewing.